Hi everyone, welcome to Wealthy Mindset. My name is Oliver. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day like always. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Ford stock, telling you guys, is it going to break out? Is it going to go up? I believe so in my opinion, but quick disclaimer like always, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional, and everything I do share with you guys is just my opinion. It is not advice, so please do not buy and sell based off the information I show you or the opinions I do form. Do your own research and your due diligence before buying and selling. Now, if we get into the stock graph, actually before I get into this, I highly encourage you to watch my first Ford video. It's going to be linked up here or at the end of the video. It goes through way more fundamentals than this. This is more actually a continuation of that video showing that the price point is about to be hit. That video will help this video to make more sense, if that makes sense. I know that probably doesn't make sense, but I'm going to go through one more fundamental in this video that's not included in that video. So if you haven't seen it, Ford Mustang Mach-E seems to be doing pretty well. Reviews are pretty good from what I've saw, like they're actually good. And then it's taking market share from Tesla SUVs as well. I'm going to link this article down below so you can read it yourself. It goes over a percentage in terms of sales. Now, in terms of continuation from that last video, the level that we're about to break is really close. Just a recap a little bit, we have a downward trend resistance line that dates back since 1999 all-time high, 2000 all-time high, and going through here, touch point, and we're about to pass it. And the reason why I'm optimistic is we have an upward trend support line dating back since the bottom of the pandemic, going up here, past both moving averages, short and long. MAC line is in the positive, and so far looking good. So past this downward trend resistance line as well. And I've stated in my past videos, if you're new to the channel, I highly encourage you to subscribe if you do like videos like this or overall stocks or mortgages, credit scores, finance overall, because I usually do elaborate more in here and there in multiple videos, and I do appreciate the support, by the way. Thank you so much for that. But like I've stated in the past, if you break a massive downward trend resistance line that's been keeping you down for years, then once you break through them, the run-up is at least minimum 6 months, if not a year, 2 years, 3 years, and I've seen even 4 years. But if you want to stay conservative with your evaluation, then what's going to happen is 6 month run-up, you could potentially, you don't necessarily have to go up to $37, but I believe because they've been invested into electric vehicles, so EV vehicles, and then autonomous vehicles, and then vehicles in terms of I've dived in more in terms of that first video, so I highly encourage you to watch it. But because of all these investments in terms of future growth, I believe, in my opinion, I think you guys are going to see again that $37 price point, but that could be a little bit too optimistic. So the first level that you need to pass, actually you need to pass this level first. So if you pass it, you need to look at, I believe it was $13, the level from what I saw, the resistance levels, it was like $13.38. So once you break $13.38, you know you're at least in the clear, but you need to pass it. And then it could be a false breakout. So if you're completely worried and you want to be okay, I want to be for sure, it was about $14.19. So $14.19, you have quite a bit of resistance where it can knock you back down. Once you pass $14.19, then in my opinion, you're in the clear. You pass this upward trend or downward trend resistance line, and then now you're just pretty much smooth sailing to the upside. But again, this is all my opinion. Take everything with a grain of salt. Nobody knows for sure. Anything could happen. Hypothetically, let's just say that economy crashes and everything, then obviously what I'm stating here is completely irrelevant and it will just start tumbling down. So again, take everything with a grain of salt. So once that runs up, then you start having, yes, for example, what I want to state is it's not just because I need to be clear. It's not just smooth sailing all the way straight to $37. It's not that easy, because you have resistance levels at like I stated, $14.19, and then in the last video I've stated the resistance levels, but I'm just gonna eyeball them right now. You have major resistance level at the pretty much $17 to $18 to $19 price point, and I believe I mentioned that in the last video. So right here you can see right here you stopped resistance level, pretty much a false breakout resistance level, but resistance level right here. So that could be a 6 month, not a 6 month run up, but a little bit run up, come back down. People might get worried and then start selling, but then bounce back up on this downward trend resistance line right here. Anything is possible, or bounce back up on the $14 price point. So go up to 18 or 17, somewhere between 17 to 18 after the 14, and then come back down on the 14, 19, 14, 20 and bounce back up. But that's just one play. I'll keep you guys posted if I see anything dramatic, and I'll let you guys know if you guys actually fully pass it, but we're getting really close. I wanted to release the video for that. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys did like the video, consider dropping a like. It does help out the channel a lot. Thank you so much for that. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you do like videos like these or overall stocks, finance, passive income, mortgages, credit scores, appreciate it if you could subscribe. Thank you so much again, and I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Peace.